how to install Windows Hello Face on Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by clicking the Windows Start menu button and then going to Settings in the top right, or search for Settings. Now click Open the settings up. Now on the left you can see System, Bluetooth device, Network and Internet. Now we want to go to Apps, the fifth one from the top, and go on over to Optional Features. There we go. Now you can see all your installed features like the Internet Explorer mode, Math Recognizer, and all these things. But we want to add an additional feature, so click the View Features button, the blue one in the top right, and search for Hello Face. There you go. Tick this box, as you can see, Windows Hello Face software device. Click Next, and now hit Install. There you go. This is now installing and downloading the Windows Hello Face app and feature. And after that, you want to restart your PC and you're essentially done with installing Windows Hello Face on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.